Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another episode. Welcome back to another video, the KameGarage. In today's video, we're finally gonna get our E36 tinted. We're about to head out to our boy's shop, Xclusive Appearance, and finally get the E36 tinted. We're finally not gonna have this fishbowl look anymore. We just gotta go ahead and move the cars, move the Lexus, so we can take out the E36. It's about an hour and 30-minute drive, so let's head out. Alright guys, we have a final look at the E36 before we head out. Look how clear and visible you can see through the windows. You can see completely through it. You know, it's an ugly look. It's a fishbowl. You know, on hot days, it doesn't help out. But we're about to head out right now. It's an hour and 30-minute drive. So let's go. We finally made it to the shop. We got the BMW right here. Our boy's shop is right here, Xclusive Appearance. Let's go ahead and do a little B-roll so you guys can see the inside. Yeah, that's my boy Danny right there.
Alright guys, Danny, owner of Xclusive Appearance. This is my boy right here. Known him since, man, we go way back, 2018,
college,
2019.
bro. It's been a minute.
College days, party days, all a bunch of crazy stuff that we don't like talk about no more.
Heck yeah.
So,
what we got over here, Danny?
So we got a Rivian in here, brand new. Straight from the dealership, came here. We're transforming it, if you can see. I don't know if the camera can capture this. Going from a glossy finish to a matte finish. This is paint protection film. This is made to protect it. The roof has all been done in a matte finish.
Yeah, you can see the gloss to the matte, dude. That's sick,
So
bro.
we've also got to tint the windows. Now it's a little different over here. This is from a Falcons player. A Mercedes that's going with a vinyl wrap. Not the protection that you get from PPF, but it's actually just changing the look. Very slick, very nice. We're also doing starlights, and then we're going to be fixing these wheels. So they're curb rash. You got to refreshen it up. You can't have a nice wrap then rocking the wheels like this.
Dude, the shop goes crazy. Dude, this is nice. Oh, here we got the Civic.
Civic here's getting tint, so got the 20% all around. Finishing it up, just final touches. And over here, this is a Tesla Model Y Juniper. Well, it's only got like 80 miles. So we're doing the window tint right now, going with a ceramic tint, keep it cooler, a lot more enjoyable. Clear window tint. Most people think you need to go dark. This is just for heat rejection. And then we're going to go back outside, wash it, and do paint protection film. Moving over here, we got the CA Corvette. That's in progress. A lot of water stains from squeegeeing, but did the full PPF front end. Still have the mirrors. We got to tint the windows. This computer cut on that machine, so make sure you guys stay protected.
Dude, that's sick.
A lot going on.
Where can we find you, Danny?
Xclusive Appearance, Instagram, Danny.exclusive on Instagram, or my personal page. We're big on content, always trying to do as much as we can. We also do homes, offices. If you're looking for us for your commercial facility, we can do that. Any graphics, any commercial wraps, fleet vehicles, restaurants, catering services, we can take care of you.
First look at the E36 fully tinted. Looks sick with the lighting just going crazy. Here's the other side view of the car. I know we still have to fix that, but it will come within time. Yo, shout out to my boy Danny. The E36 is all done. Xclusive Appearance here in Lawrenceville, Georgia. That thing looks sick, crazy good. Again, my boy did a phenomenal job.
Appreciate
Danny
you having us out, man. Looking forward to anybody in the city that's close or near Atlanta. Feel free to come by. We are your auto restock specialists. Vinyl wrap, paint protection, wheel repair, powder coating, anything auto aesthetics. We're the guys we have to come to.
Hit him up. The Instagram is going to be right here. Thank you, homie.
Thank you, bro.